Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about cell membrane. In this video, we are going to discuss about endomembrane system. The endomembrane system includes organelles whose function, whose functions are coordinated with each other. Whose functions are coordinated with each other. Endomembrane system includes endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, and vacuoles and vacuoles. Peroxisomes are not considered a part of peroxisomes are not considered a part of endomembrane system because their activity is not coordinated with the activities of these organelles. How the activities are coordinated we can understand by the fact that endoplasmic reticulum, it is going to produce certain substances such as lipids and proteins. These lipids and proteins, they are modified in Golgi complex and packed into various vesicles for transport within the cell or transport outside the cell. Lysosomes, they are derived from Golgi complex. They contain substances such as enzymes which are synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum, and they can help in clearing of the dead cell organelles. Vacuoles, they are again derived by the Golgi complex, and they also store substances which have been produced by endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex. So since the activities are coordinated with one another, these organelles are referred to as the endomembrane system. With this, we finish off with this discussion on endomembrane system. See you in next video.